Stargate is a groundbreaking new AI infrastructure project that brings together President Donald Trump, SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son, Oracle's Larry Ellison, and OpenAI's Sam Altman. With a commitment of $500 billion over the next 4 years, the project aims to build data centers, supercomputers, and the core technology required to take AI to the next level. Let's break down how this unfolds and why it might transform the industry. Yesterday, January 21, 2025, President Trump held a press briefing at the White House, joined by Son, Ellison, and Altman, to announce this historic private sector investment. The project, named Stargate, will kick off with an initial $100 billion investment and grow to $500 billion in 4 years. The clear message is that America is doubling down on AI to maintain its edge in the global race, particularly against rivals like China. Why is such a massive infrastructure needed for AI? Advanced AI models, like ChatGPT or any large language model, demand enormous computing power. This requires data centers, specialized chips, massive amounts of water for cooling, and tremendous electricity usage. Sam Altman has long advocated for expanding AI infrastructure, warning that the U.S. risks falling behind without substantial increases in capacity. By bringing Oracle, SoftBank, and others into the fold, Stargate plans to build facilities across the country, starting with Texas. Ellison revealed that around 10 data centers are already under construction in Texas, including a massive 1 million square foot facility. The project also promises to deliver significant job opportunities. According to President Trump, Stargate will create 100,000 jobs immediately, with more to come over time. However, some skeptics are comparing this announcement to the 2017 Foxconn deal, which promised a $10 billion facility in Wisconsin but ended up scaling back significantly. Despite this, the Foxconn deal did result in a major data hub now used by Microsoft, so it wasn't a complete failure. This time, the key players, Oracle, SoftBank, and OpenAI, are directly tied to AI and enterprise data, making insiders optimistic that Stargate could become the next big thing. But why is President Trump so invested in this? A major factor is competition with China. The administration wants to ensure that America doesn't fall behind in critical AI technologies that influence sectors like healthcare, finance, and military capabilities. Sam Altman also highlighted that advanced AI could soon revolutionize healthcare by curing diseases at an unprecedented pace. Furthermore, he emphasized the importance of producing advanced chips within the U.S. to reduce reliance on foreign manufacturers. With this bold initiative, Stargate could mark the beginning of a new era for AI, not just in America, but globally. The coming years will reveal whether it lives up to its promise. Tech circles have been buzzing recently about potential H-1B visa policy changes, which could play a key role in the success of the Stargate project. While official details are still emerging, sources suggest the administration is considering streamlining H-1B visa approvals, particularly for specialized roles in AI and data centers. This move could help quickly staff the massive workforce required for projects like Stargate. Speculation is also growing that this could lead to an influx of Indian workers, as they have historically been a dominant group in the H-1B visa category. Observers point out that SoftBank has previously invested heavily in Indian tech startups, while Oracle and other enterprise giants have significant operations in India. This renewed H-1B focus could align perfectly with Stargate's urgent need for highly specialized talent. Critics, however, argue that this might just be a way for companies to source cheaper foreign labor, potentially sidelining American workers. Supporters counter this argument by emphasizing the immediate need to fill critical skill gaps and ensure that the U.S. retains its position as the global hub for AI development. This remains a hot-button issue, one that is likely to evolve further as Stargate progresses. The Stargate project has a well-defined structure, with SoftBank and OpenAI leading the charge. SoftBank shoulders the primary financial responsibility, while OpenAI oversees operational decisions. Masayoshi Son has been named Stargate's chairman, and major partners include Oracle, NVIDIA, ARM, Microsoft, and MGX. Oracle will take the lead in building and operating much of the underlying system, leveraging its extensive experience as a data center provider. NVIDIA will contribute the GPU power essential for running large AI models. Meanwhile, Microsoft remains an important player, but with a new twist: its exclusivity as OpenAI's sole AI capacity provider has been loosened. This means OpenAI can now collaborate with Oracle and other partners for Stargate's massive build-out. However, Microsoft retains a right of first refusal, meaning it gets the first opportunity to fulfill any additional capacity needs before OpenAI looks elsewhere. If Microsoft declines or cannot meet the demand, OpenAI is free to expand its partnerships. The White House is also rolling back an executive order from former President Joe Biden that was designed to regulate AI risks. This decision aims to remove potential roadblocks that could slow down the Stargate project. The administration's stance is clear: America must act quickly to outpace China, and regulation can come later. During the press briefing, Larry Ellison described AI as holding incredible promise for everyone. Sam Altman echoed this sentiment, calling Stargate the most important project of this era. Both emphasize the significance of national security and maintaining America's technological edge. President Trump also weighed in, stressing the importance of keeping the best minds and biggest investors within the U.S. He reiterated that the project would generate hundreds of thousands of jobs, not just in technology, but also in fields like construction, utility management, and transportation. Meanwhile, in Houston, Rice University is making its own strides in AI. The university is preparing to approve a new AI major for undergraduates, which could be available as early as fall 2025. These developments, spanning policy changes, massive investments, and educational initiatives, underscore the growing importance of AI in shaping the future of technology, workforce dynamics, and global leadership. The faculty at Rice University is set to vote on February 5th on creating a distinct Bachelor of Science in Artificial Intelligence. Why? Enrollment in AI courses is skyrocketing. For example, Rice's graduate-level deep learning course, Comp 666, currently has 35 undergraduates among its 140 total students. If approved, Rice would join the ranks of universities like Carnegie Mellon, UPenn, and MIT, which already recognize AI as a standalone discipline. This aligns perfectly with the growing demand for AI talent to fuel massive projects like Stargate. At its core, the Stargate project seems to have two main objectives. First, outpace China's advancements in AI by building state-of-the-art data facilities in the U.S. Second, establish a strategic cushion to safeguard national security. The logic is simple: control the data centers, and you control the future of AI. A white paper by OpenAI highlighted that around $175 billion is currently available in various global funds, ready for investment in AI initiatives. If the U.S. doesn't capture this investment, it risks those funds being funneled into China-backed projects, potentially amplifying the Chinese Communist Party's influence in AI. That's why the White House is pushing hard to cut through regulatory red tape and fast-track Stargate's development. Historically, splashy announcements about major investments in American industry have had mixed results. While some fizzled out, others were partially successful. But Stargate's sheer scale suggests this could be different. With Oracle's expertise in enterprise tech, SoftBank's billions poured into tech startups and robotics, and OpenAI's leadership in AI research, Stargate has an unmatched lineup. OpenAI's ChatGPT and other cutting-edge models have already revolutionized AI, so their involvement adds credibility to the project. Microsoft, though no longer OpenAI's exclusive cloud provider, remains a key partner. They still hold an exclusive license to the OpenAI API on Azure, allowing them to integrate AI features into products like Microsoft Copilot. While Stargate's massive scale necessitates other partners, Microsoft retains the first right to fulfill any additional capacity needs, ensuring they remain heavily involved. Construction on Stargate's facilities has already begun, starting in Texas. Masayoshi Son, Sam Altman, and Larry Ellison have all emphasized that job creation is expected almost immediately. It's not just talk. This project is already in motion. Altman has hinted that Stargate could lead to breakthroughs in healthcare, including disease cures, while also revolutionizing industries like finance, autonomous vehicles, and robotics. The hope is that Stargate will position America as the global leader in AI, influencing nearly every sector that relies on large-scale AI technology. Rice University's potential AI program is just one part of a broader trend. With institutions like Carnegie Mellon and MIT expanding their AI curriculums, it's clear that the U.S. is focusing on developing a robust AI talent pipeline. And how do you feel about loosening AI regulations to accelerate progress? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives on AI and tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.